Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world of academia and share valuable tips to help you excel in your research endeavors. In today's video, we'll be discussing an essential part of your dissertation, the literature review. Specifically, we'll dive into strategies on how to hook your readers with your dissertation literature review. So let's get started. Strategy 1. Begin with a compelling opening paragraph. Your literature review should start with an attention-grabbing introduction that sets the stage for the rest of your analysis. Consider starting with a thought-provoking statement, an engaging anecdote, or a relevant quote to pique your reader's curiosity. This will help establish the importance and relevance of the topic you're about to explore. Strategy 2. Highlight the key knowledge gaps in the field. One effective way to hook your readers is to identify the existing gaps in the literature that your research aims to address. Strategy 3. Provide a roadmap of the literature review. Before delving into the detailed analysis, give your readers a roadmap of what they can expect from your literature review. Outline the main themes, theories, or concepts that you'll be discussing, and explain how they relate to your research question. This will give your readers a clear sense of direction and help them navigate through the review. Strategy 4. Use engaging and concise language. To keep your readers engaged, make sure to write in a clear and concise manner. Avoid using overly complex language or excessive jargon that might alienate your readers. Instead, strive for a balance between academic rigor and accessibility. Present your ideas in a logical and organized manner, making it easy for your readers to follow your thought process. Strategy 5. Connect the literature to your research. As you discuss each source in your literature review, make sure to consistently link it back to your own research question or objective. Explain how each study, theory, or concept contributes to your understanding of the topic and how it informs your own research. This will help your readers see the relevance and significance of the literature to your specific study. By employing these strategies, you can effectively hook your readers with your dissertation literature review. Start with a compelling opening paragraph, highlight key knowledge gaps, provide a roadmap of the review, use engaging language, and connect the literature to your research. Remember, a captivating literature review sets the stage for the rest of your dissertation and showcases your knowledge and understanding of the field. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less. Happy writing!